Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rain or Shine. Today we are in Killiney Hill and we have already showed you this place before in another video together with Bray and Hoth. But today we are going to focus more on Dalkey and Dun Laoghaire, two of the most beautiful coastal towns in County Dublin. Killiney Hill is a great place to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. We took a lovely morning walk under the shady forest on our way to the top of the hill. Dalkey is an affluent suburb and it's one of Dublin's wealthiest districts.
Have you chosen a house already?
This one is mine.
I like that glass house. Although the prices are way beyond our possibilities, this did not stop us from admiring the grandiose houses. Its castle and other medieval buildings in Dalkey remind us of the importance of this village during the Middle Ages.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you?
One of the waiters gave us a free drink and he said it's from Spain. And all these three Spanish with me doesn't even know this beer, so let's see if it's Spanish quality. How is it?
Not bad. Sula Calambra.
Oh, he said it's premium. I think it's a new company from Madrid. So yeah, we are all gonna drink from the same glass. We are family, okay?
Do you have enough money on your wallet?
Maybe.
We just arrived in Dalkey, in Dun Laoghaire. We just arrived in Dun Laoghaire and the first thing that we are going to do is to eat the famous ice cream, Scrumdiddly.
Dreaming about getting a tiny house, tiny mansion. Is that football or rugby?
Gaelic football.
Oh.
Dalkey and Dun Laoghaire are two popular destinations for Dubliners. These vibrant towns are easily accessible by bus or by the Dart railway line. Their location along the coast provides lovely views and makes them a perfect escapade from the busy city center. Dun Laoghaire was a famous seaside resort in Victorian times, and its name was changed to Kingstown by the British Crown. However, in 1920, during the Irish independence, it recovered its original name in honor of a High King of Ireland. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It will help us grow our channel. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.